how do you call this? Git Git repository, local. So wait, control P, template, coding template. So you have this CIW git. So GitHub put dev Linux, and then I think that's it. So okay, and then I'm gonna say, so git, I'm using home rule modifiers. By the way, I'm actually going to try to use home rule modifiers for a month and see how it goes. Git, so dash, that's why I'm typing extremely slow, and I want to type slow to increase my accuracy so that I don't need to hit the backspace like a madman every time. See? Posito, see? So wait, so getting started with local I can't type this. I actually can't type this in git. So this control T, control O, git data view. So control E to wait, control E, so to free this, and then this git dash getting started, yes, and then this git wait, control E, local repositories, wait, yeah, so dash local repositories tab, wait, shift this and this, so I can do this also. I have a layer, instead of pressing F semicolon W enter, I can just press layer key on my enter and then do this. I need to get used to that because it's faster than going into the shift key. That's the extra. So you have this, so we can have shift V like that, so shift V, then this. I am going to get faster, I think. I should just give it time. And then completed, and then the getting started part, I think I'm gonna leave it to in progress right now. So I'm free. So shall I wait, desktop slash git learning ls mkdir webflix, control R, mkdir webflix. Okay, everything is small, capital, like small letters. Okay, good. Webflix, seed into webflix, and then git init. ls-la, we have this clear. So wait, I'm pressing wait, what? Yeah, I'm pressing 2 instead of going 1. So fn6 this, so this and then this and then this, initialize the initialization of local repository. So 6 this. We are now going to actually start using Git. Yay. No, you don't write yay like this, so yay. Go ahead and no CW and follow the what the fuck code block below to create the folder where we are going to be working in. So wait a second, Control W. What the fuck? So oh yeah, this was backslash. Wait. Windows O file. So 2 and then this was backslash. I remember now. This was backslash. You know what? I'm gonna save the current layout as home actual home modifiers save. Then I'm gonna say Control Enter. Clear. Cd into the downloads folder ls. So cp home cp actual underscore home underscore row underscore modifiers dot vil into github slash dot files. Cd into dot files ls lg ac update. Going to actually try to leave not like that, leave with RAM for some time. That some time is going to be about a month or so. Tab enter, shift P. Like I don't need to move my hands. I just press shift, I just press F and P. Oh my fucking god. CD clear, alt enter, Windows shift 5, Windows Q, Windows shift, Windows FN3. Let me try to take a look at this. I mean, it's very nice. everything is still working. Yeah, it's going to be down arrow. So bash with the following control access, following directories inside the desktop folder. So mkd dash asset p, and then I'm gonna say this, no, this, and then this. So this desktop slash let's say learning underscore git slash local underscore repo underscore one. So first underscore local underscore repo. Yep. Repository to initialize a git a local, so control Fn, this local, control I, control Fn this, to initialize a local git repository. We need to run the following command, and then this is going to be here, bash wait 7 this so control W, wait go into that directory with cd cd into this slash desktop slash learning underscore git slash first underscore local underscore repo. I know, right? The naming convention is fantastic. No, that's not how you write fantastic, right? Fantastic. Fuck. And what the fuck is happening? Control E, control D. Oh fuck, control D. Control up. Initialize the git repository. What the fuck? Initialize the local repository git init. So wait a second. So wait, clear. cd dot ls rm dash rf clear ls rm dash rf git. It takes a mental, like there is a mental effort to it. Learning ls cd dot clear mk the dash p this slash desktop slash fuck learning underscore git slash first underscore local underscore repo cd into desktop slash learning underscore git first underscore repo cd dot because I need to make mk the webflix cd into webflix git init git help init. Oh, really? Git branch dash fuck git. Oh, it's main. I know it's main. Branch dash so wait dash a. Huh? Git status. This should control W upon running the above, so up arrow upon running the above command, you should see that we get a message looks something like this. So console, so this and then this cd dot slash first cd dot clear t new dash s git control s c control s fn1 control s rename dash window first, and then control s fn this. Wait, control s fn2. What? Control s fn2. No, control s fn2. Control s rename dash window boot cd into webflix clear pwd as you can see. So control s fn1 ls cd into first local repo clear git init control s fn this control s fn this. Yeah, what? Control s fn this, so v yank this fn1 control, so I can just do control v. Oh my god, without moving my pinkies. Okay, So before a regular folder becomes a git repository, first need to initialize it. Wait, how do you say that? The thing. Let's just do it first in yeah. Run the test fn2 and then control s fn2 control control shift v enter. Very nice, I think it's good. So use fn3 f sw 2 control shift v submit. So yeah, fn3, yeah, it's just the thing about a fucking hell git repository, I can't type this word, repository, is that it just includes the .git directory / folder. This is everything. This is what makes a repository, well, a repository. And even for oh my god, for so control B, control B, the timing is too fucked up. I need to like change the timing a bit. Compare even for a remote repository, it also does contain the .git folder as again this is what makes a make it becomes a git repository. Okay. So tip: always look at the look for help. So if we run what git help init, we are going to see all the help for the init command argument for argument. Oh my god, control W, wait huh, this is so fucking, like, mentally it's so fucking taxing. But this is just like, we are going to see all the help for a init argument. It should look something like this. Shift enter, shift enter, shift enter, enter, and then wait, undo, and then undo, so bash, no, just console, and then this, I'm gonna do this, and then do shift, so git, wait, it help what? Control S F3. What? Why 3? Yes, so lt.git control S Fn this, control S Fn this, v Fn sign this, find this, and for this, yank this, Fn1. My fucking god, this is so painful. Control V. This is so painful and at the same time so like nice. 279 and then QQ, insert, shift this one, escape, go down below, insert, and then escape, quit, Alt Q, wait. 25 Alt Q. Nice. Yep. That's it. What is the definition? To see that changes the several ways that our there are several ways that our files slash folders side our repository states. So control I set our repository. These are the are as follows. It should be in this order for a new file slash folder dash directory. One, untracked. So I'm gonna use untrack, then being tracked, then to being committed, etc. Stage. So stage, yeah, it's track. So ending staged and then being committed. How do you write committed? Je bit to delaying. I don't know what the fuck is happening. Let me check. Everything is still. Oh fuck. The delay is a bit delaying. The fuck should I put this in like that? 3 Control F. So 3, control F1, and then what do they mean? So 1. So dash and track git does control V does not currently tracks the version. How did it like call it? Tracks the version slash duration of file dot, so control I file slash, so control I folder. Why? How do I do shift tab? So shift tab. Oh my god. So tracked. So staged. Stage. This means that Git will now start tracking. Undo. Tracking unedited the changes that are made to that file. This means that Git will now start tracking the changes that are made to that file. And then this committed how the fuck does it not work? Committed, no, this is not how you write committed. You have another T here. So this. English is not my first language, by the way. So this, oh, what the fuck? I have to hold it and then, oh my fucking god. I can't just hold it like that, yeah. Committed. It has been added. It has been added to the repository. So now next commit. This means that now the changes will now save the current changes to the repository. Meaning that if we go ahead and modify that file, it will go into the defined state. So here we go. What do I need to do? I was pressing F for shift and I was also pressing it for F, so there was nothing going to happen. So nothing was going to happen yet. So we are now going to create a file called readme md file. As you can see, this file is a control key. So wait, my god, undo. So markdown file. If you have the all of these files slash notes were written with markdown. Fuck office products. Markdown. What is markdown actually? Is a highly textable thing. Say mark, control A, markdown. FAWR, control A, control C, alt F1, control V. Go ahead and write some text inside that file. I wrote this into it. I wrote into that file. So console, just like console. I use Vim, so you can write this. I'm pressing G PTW. I use Vim, by the way. You need to mention that, you know. So this, and then this down arrow, and then I use Vim, by the way. So undo, so first local repository. This is my first local repo. This is not my first local repository. Okay, so then now if you go ahead and run the status command, status git command like so, so this guy bash find, check the states of the file in our repository, git status, should see that our readme md file is in the untracked state. Console. This is true as git does not currently know anything about the file. Fuck. And then okay, so I'm gonna wait, Control W. So contents, okay. So contents, ls contents.md, so nv contents.md, and then just type in contents. Save this, save and quit, clear, and then run the git status, for Ubuntu, git status, as you can see, run and submit the test. So control this, control shift V, control Fn 3 W, Fn control shift V, next, clear, control S Fn2, control S Fn1, clear. So and then read me .md. The thing is, I don't like the prime region. The prime region says to use both shift. So if you are using, if you need to press shift like the capital letter L, you use your left shift. If you need to type the capital letter A, you use the right shift. You have to like balance it out, you know. You have to like ting tung ting tung, you know. It's not like ting 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 ting, it's like ting tung ting. The thing is, I always use a single shift on my left hand and my pinky hold it, and I need to type everything. So right now when I type readme, I am pressing J. Read, oh fuck, wait, I can't do this. Oh wait. So when I'm typing readme, I'm holding the J key, REDM, and I need to type M. M is below J, so I need to hold F and let go of J, press M, press J, because you should alternate, and then press E, then .md. So what did I say to write? This first local repository. You know what, let's just paste it. I don't have time for this. Just paste it. So control and then control paste, and then save and quit. Clear. If you cut the readme .md, clear. Oh, I can't clear. Git status. Control S, fn this. Je vais yank this, fn this, control this, control V. I think I'm gonna swap control with shift, because I'm pressing like J a lot. Yeah, I don't want that. So fn, so I need to get used to it. Creating files, so git status, creating files, and then shift J, 1 foot. So that, wait, here we go. And then what do you do? Then it says to me that I need to, how many chapters there are? Fuck. Git add dot this, so the content, so is not on track to say yes, pattern. I use arch, by the way. Okay, so wait. Git help status. Help is here. Again, if you go and read the help documentation for the status command with git help status. What the fuck? You are going to see that we have a lot of options. I'm going to run as example, then PD, and then okay. So for Python, no, it's not Python, it's console bash, run the shorter version of git status. Do and then git status. What? Why does it do this? Okay, git status dash short. Huh? Great. Verbose. Did not know that all of these in columns. Oh my god. Wait, let's try something. Let's try git status dash short. It's status dash column touch.txt touch test.txt git status. Oh my god though. So if I do git status dash short now, git status dash column. No. It's status control W. No. Yes. Oh, my fucking concentration is fucked up. Oh my fucking god, bro. Okay, so this doesn't work. So rm test.txt shit.txt ls clear git status. So there's a short control. Okay, wait. Status data short. Should instead this should give us a shorter version of its status ff. So this console, and then this, insert this, fun2. So control S, shift this, shift V, yank this, and then I did not know that. I learned something new today. Fuck. Control O, Control E, Shift G I said. Control this. So then see how when people don't learn how to type, let me take a program break. See how you like, let me just go here instead. See how when you don't learn how to type, you are going to be unproductive. You're going to be unproductive. Well, when you're unproductive, you won't get any work done. And currently, I am very angry with myself because I am not able to type everything as quickly as possible and just like bloom, 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 bam with it, you know. I think that having a dedicated shift key is okay, but about that I don't know. Like, I mean, I don't know. Oh my god. I don't know. Let's just run one, for example. I can't even type this. Like, typing normal uncapitalized letters is good, but typing like capital letters with everything like this is fucked up. See, it's like okay, like I'm hitting 90 words per minute, like it's okay, but oh my god, like I don't know. See, I just adding files. Now to make to include that file to be committed, we are first going to have to stage it. This is done using the add git command. This is where we are going where we're going to specify all the files, all not or not git help add. Did not know this. Arrange all the files. we map. I can't type A well. Then What the fuck? ls, clear ls. So control s fn3 ls git add contents.md git status fsw factor and factors control shift v fns clear fsh and then shows main.py file. Okay, so wait. So we are going to control sfn1 git status git add readme.md git status so wait, what the fuck? What the fuck? Control delete, control files to stay to be stage to stage to staging area to stage to the so the stay area. English is not my first language, by the way. So adding files, I can't even type. So files to the staging area. So I'm just gonna do this and then P, then always, so control this, so wait, strong always wait strong fuck open slash p. Fucking hell, bro. So align equal to oh my calm yourself down, it's only a game, so always read. The keen eyes of yours might have noticed something when we run the git status command in the creating files section of this file slash node point. Console control the video yank around please use to include what will be committed. Something is not right. Something is not right. You see, this is a file backslash, but the backslash is going to appear. Fuck. So I'm just gonna change it. Because of, oh my fucking god, because of Obsidian, I need to remove the twin raw file. This is why tell people to always read and not just copy dash paste commands from Control K fuck chat G so GP 90 https //openai.com chat.openai.com. So yeah, chat GPT. Run the git status command. I also need to like control S fn this, so shift V no commits yet, so fn this and then control this. So I was saying one for this, control V, control D. So what is what? nv main.py. So main cat out main.py, then control S fn this, Shift V, and then yank this, Control V here, and then go ahead and run create more files. Joe mama.txt. So I just can do this something like this, and then paste underscore shift paste this over here, then save. In this case we are not, so Control B, not going to add thing to that file. So run its status to check how the state of the file is now looking. So fuck. So console, and then fn this. So touch. What the fuck, Joe Mama, right? Now go ahead and create the file. Let's use the touch command. Windows fucking suckers should the fuck the no it's not a, it's new dash. How, why does it have to have a dash inside? Dash item command. Okay, so and then this is going to be this. In this case we are not going, no, we don't need that. And then so touch Joe Mama, right? Joe underscore RM Joe touch Joe and so underscore is here mama.txt. Joe Mama, its status. So as you can see, it does not currently know about these two other files. Therefore we are going to have to add them. Now instead there is a shortcut. Now instead of running the git add file underscore, what the fuck is the underscore, name command each time for a newly created file like we did above, creating multiple files at once. We instead can use the dot creator. This will allow us to, even if we just added a million files, we could just add everything all at once instead of running git status CLU vd. Instead go to this f and this, yank in f and this, and then paste here a million time try learning for a million times. You would not do that, right? I just muted my computer, right? Even though I have nothing playing. So where was I? I was saying like, so then bash add everything all at once, git add dot. So the dot character will add everything that is inside that has just been added. The root of the repository. So removing files. Control W, Control P, reload. I'm just gonna go P a second. Let's just first let me do this. Control S, Control 3, Control S, Control 3. What? I'm pressing Windows. Control S, Control 3. Control S, Control 3. Clear. Windows Shift S. So Control P, git commit and think we've so specific message, so update arrived at removal of files from staging area. No shift. So okay, so we need to git commit. I can't run this because I haven't done it there. You know what? How long has it been? So Windows FN10. It has been 1 hour now. I think I'm gonna go. Thank you all for watching. Thank you. Hello.